Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Welcome to Journeys Become Wealthy. My name is Kelvin Reed, and today is Wednesday. As you all know, we had a busy day today, a really wild day in the markets. If you all watched the video this morning, you should have been prepared. You should have been prepared. I told you the market was going to trade sideways until the Jerome Powell and the Fed did their speech, and then the market could go either way. So what happened was, well, matter of fact, before we get into it, make sure you like, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I make videos. So all right, let's talk about it. The Fed came out, they dropped 75 basis point hike on us, right? 70.75% interest rate hike on us yet again, which was priced into the market. It was fully expected, and we weren't really surprised, right? What we were surprised about is how Jerome Powell spoke on the things to come. The amount of uncertainty, what's our word? FUD. The amount of uncertainty that still remains in the market after he did his speech today. So those are the reasons why the market shot up. Because, okay, like, hey, yay, everybody excited. Yay, we knew it was going to be 75 basis points. Yay. And then he was like, yeah, but we still aggressive. And they were like, oh no. Right? So everybody was like, okay, maybe they were expecting the Fed to kind of pivot. They were expecting the Fed pivot to happen this morning. Okay, we peaked out on inflation. We can slow down on things. It's going to be okay. But that is not what happened. What happened was he came out and said, hey, we're gonna remain aggressive. Yes, there's gonna be a gap. We have another increase in December. January, we're taking a break. February, we come back hot and heavy for y'all just to see where the CPI numbers are and how hard we can get inflation down. He also said, hey, we have to get prices down in housing. We have to get prices down in, different sectors of the market that keep pushing inflation up. So he was very aggressive. He not at no point did he make it seem like, okay, it's time to relax, you guys. Okay, we're gonna sit back, we're gonna calm down. We did what we came to do. We worried about a recession. No, at no point did Jerome Powell do that. He came in, he put his foot down. He said, hey, we're gonna keep doing what we gotta do to beat this inflation, no matter how it makes you feel, no matter what happens. And really and truly, a lot of people have been spectating. All right, this is opinion. This is not fact. That he did that because the market ran up. Oh snap! 75 basis points. The market's going to the moon. Oh nah, I got something for y'all, partner. We gotta bring it back down, right? Calm down, bring it back down, calm yourselves. Because of course, a rising market means more money in circulation, and that's what they're trying to avoid. Inflation means a lot of money in circulation. Prices are up too crazy, so they say that he said what he said to kind of knock things down. He may behave in a different way. But who knows? At this point, again, we're back to that FUD, back to that uncertainty. So let's take a look at the markets. Again, y'all should have been ready for this. Y'all dropped the video this morning. You knew exactly what was to come because I spoke on it. And now we're just here to review it, right? Kind of give us an overall outlook on it. Okay? So we got the Dow down 1.55% for the day. S&P down 2.50%. NASDAQ down a hot and heavy 3.36%. And we got the Russell down 3.36% as well. Kind of crazy, right? What a coincidence. So you already know we got to do the overall look, right? Overall look. The Dow on the 5-day is actually extremely flat on the week. On the month, it's still up 9%. And remember, we talked about this Sunday, I want to say, either Saturday or Sunday. The Dow is one of the indexes that has really been running. It had its best month last month, 13% increase in a month since 1970 something. I want to say 1974. Go back and watch that video. I would surely appreciate it. I love the views. Share it with your friends. But yeah, and then we're going to get back to our 6 month, right? 6 months down 2.96%. Not bad. Still trading pretty sideways, but it's that year to date that really gives us the beating. So for the year to date, we're down 12.13%, which again, we know January was one of the points where we were at our highs. So we basically guesstimate that we're down 12.13% from the highs in the Dow. Let's go take the same look, right? S&P 500. We know these are the two big ones. We look at the NASDAQ and the Russell, but we know the NASDAQ is going to be one of the primary ones based on tech. So S&P 500 on the 5-day down 1.63%. You see it's taking a lot heavier beating than the Dow. On the month, it's actually still up 2.21%. When you get that 6 months, oh man, it has taken a beating down 9.96%. And year to date, down 21.62% from the highs. So we're still in that bear territory, you guys. Still in that bear territory. We cannot catch a break. We cannot catch a break. And I told you guys also, when we saw this peak up here, I said, all right, I expect a pullback. Right? Expect a pullback because from the low, I want to say we were up about 9 to 10%. We were up, I know, 9.06%. Now we're only up 5.11%. So that puts us down about 4% from 3 to 4% from where we were headed towards that new bull market, right? We were headed towards that 20% that we so badly want, but we didn't hit that. On the NASDAQ, now y'all, this is the worst one yet, right? We know the NASDAQ and Russell have been taking beatings because the technology sector has been taking beatings. We have not hit a full rotation back into tech. Earnings just been beating us down. COVID has been beating us down. The Ukraine invasion has been beating us down. Tech has been taking a beating. And hey, it's okay. We riding the wave. But on the 5-day, down 2.94%. On the month, down 2.69%. And you see this. This is one of those sectors, no matter how far out we go, it's just down. It's taking a beating. On the 6-month, 16%. Almost double the S&P 500. I believe on the 6-month, it was down 9%. And on the year-to-date, we are down 13.53%. About 12% more than the S&P 500 on the year-to-date. And double the Dow on the year-to-date. So we're down 33.53%. We know the NASDAQ is tech heavy, right? You come over here and do your research on it in case you don't know what it is, in case you don't know what companies are in the NASDAQ. You want to invest in it, of course, do your research, especially when it's taking a beating like 33.53%. If your portfolio is heavily invested in tech stocks and things like that, hopefully you're beating this 33% because that means you're beating that index. Although you're not beating the major markets, which are the Dow and S&P 500. But that's neither here nor there. That's not factual, right? That's just opinion. My opinion. And y'all already know, right? My goal for this year was to do what? Beat the market. Beat the market. So as of right now, who knows? Are we doing it? I don't know. We'll see in, I think, another month. We got another month before our first year is over. So you all got to make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you keep watching. I may not display the numbers, but I'll definitely give you the honest God truth on what the numbers look like, and we'll discuss it. And we'll talk about how far down in all my stocks I am and things of that nature. So hopefully you all are ready for that. Hopefully you all are excited to see that because I know I am. Of course, I see it every day, but y'all don't, right? I'm excited to get you all's reaction. On the fear and greed index, we've inched back to the neutral zone in that 50, but mainly because we're taking a beating. Y'all don't ignore that. But yeah, we're taking a beating. Outside of this, I really do not have any crazy news for you all. I cannot predict how this market is going to move tomorrow, especially after news like today. We know everybody reacts, right? We just wait on a reaction. And again, we talked about it, right? We talked about this being a point of resistance at 390.67. Look exactly what it did. It hit that point and came back down. So you can't say I didn't give you that gem on Monday, right? I gave you that gem already. You should have been aware of that. You should have been ready. Rode your put option down, made some money for a couple of days. Except for today, I told you all do not trade today because the volatility could have lost you a lot of money, especially when it spiked up, only for it to come tumbling right back down. Hopefully you didn't get caught in that because, again, I try not to play that volatility. I love strong ups. I love strong downs because that's when the most money is made. It's always cool to trade the little spikes and whatnot, but it's always great to trade that straight, clear signal. So as of right now, of course, we're on the down move. Honestly, I think I see a point of resistance here, a point of support. I apologize. We passed through this low support, but there could potentially be a low support at 374.87. So actually 372.90 or somewhere around that area. So we could potentially get down to that 372.90 and bounce up from there. That is what I'm hoping for. I'm actually hoping that this was a false day, and tomorrow we get some bullish signs. I mean, essentially today wasn't too terribly bad. They did say they were going to slow down, but they were going to be giving us some bigger hikes, right? So we'll be getting them less frequently, but we'll be getting bigger hikes. So hey, who knows? Who knows how the market and the retail investors like ourselves are going to digest this thing in the morning. Who knows how they're going to treat it. So as of right now, I'm going to be watching it until tomorrow. I'll probably wait until, y'all know I tell you always, wait the first 5 to 15 minutes before you trade. I may wait the first 30 minutes to see how this bad boy moves. Now, if I get a clear signal, Y'all know if I get a clear signal, I'm gonna take that trade. I'm gonna make that money because it's easy money to be made on clear signals. But if not, I'm gonna sit back, relax, and twirl my fingers and watch my account. You know, whether it plummet or whether it skyrocket, I'm just gonna watch it do what it do. So that's really all I have for you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I thank you for joining Journey to Become Wealthy. Make sure you like, subscribe to the channel, share this video with your friends and family, and I'll see you guys later.